Tip 1. Instant noodles with eggs. First, I place a pot on the stove. Add about 500 milliliters of water. Cover it and bring it to a boil. When the water boils, I add 3 packets of instant noodles and boil them for about 3 minutes, just long enough for the noodles to become tender but still have a bit of bite. While waiting, I prepare 6 fresh eggs and crack them all into a large bowl. Using a spoon, I carefully separate the 6 egg yolks into 2 bowls, with 3 yolks in each. Next, I wash and finely chop a few scallions. Then add them to the bowl of egg whites. I season with a pinch of salt and a little black pepper, then gently whisk with a fork to combine the ingredients. By now, the noodles are cooked. I drain them in a colander, then use scissors to cut the noodles into shorter lengths to make shaping the cakes easier. I took about 2/3 of the noodles and placed them in a large bowl. Next, I diced 3 sausages. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. And added them to the bowl. I washed, peeled, and diced half a yellow and half a red sweet pepper. Finely chopped 3 hot peppers. You can adjust the amount of chili to taste. And added a little green onion to the bowl. Next, I add 5 tablespoons of flour, 2 teaspoons of garlic powder, a pinch of salt, a little black pepper, and 1 egg. 3 tablespoons of water. I use a spoon to mix everything thoroughly until all the ingredients combine into a sticky mixture. Do you remember the 2 bowls of egg yolks from earlier? I take one bowl and use a whisk to beat the yolks until smooth. Wearing gloves, I divide the dough mixture into small portions and gently shape them into bite-sized round patties. Next, I roll each donut in beaten egg yolk so they turn a beautiful golden color when fried. Then, I drop the donuts into the preheated oil. I deep fry them in oil over medium heat for about 4 to 5 minutes, flipping them occasionally so they brown evenly. When the outer crust is golden and crispy, I remove the pastries and place them on paper towels to drain. The crispy outer crust, combined with the soft, fragrant filling inside, is sure to make anyone want to dig in right away. It's so great to connect with you all from around the world. If you haven't subscribed to my channel yet, please hit the subscribe button. Thank you for your support. Now, I add the remaining noodles to the bowl with the egg whites and scallions I prepared earlier. I use a spoon to mix everything well so that each noodle strand is evenly coated with egg white. Next, I add the remaining yellow and red bell peppers to the bowl with the remaining egg yolks. To give the dish more flavor, I also add diced sausage. Finally, I use a whisk to stir everything together until all the ingredients are well combined. I place a non-stick skillet on the stove, add a little cooking oil, and use a brush to coat the surface of the skillet with a very thin layer of oil. When the skillet is hot, I divide the noodles into 2 equal portions. I add the first portion to the skillet and use a spoon to spread it out into a round pancake. Fry over medium-low heat for about 3 to 4 minutes on each side, until the pancake is evenly golden brown and holds its shape firmly. Then transfer it to a plate. Repeat the process with the remaining noodles. For the second pancake, after flipping it, I spoon the entire mixture of egg yolks, bell peppers, and cold cuts and spread it evenly over the surface. Next, I grated about 50 to 70 grams of cheese to cover the top completely. Finally, I placed the first pancake on top to form a sandwich. I covered the pan and cooked over low heat for about 5 to 7 minutes until the egg was fully set and the cheese had melted, binding the 2 layers together. Once done, I gently transfer the sandwich to a plate and cut it into bite-sized pieces. Which country are you watching this video from? Please leave a comment below. It's wonderful that we can connect with each other from all over the world. On the outside is a crispy golden brown layer of noodles. On the inside is a filling of eggs, cold cuts, vegetables, and rich, stringy cheese. Would you like to try making this at home? If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like it, subscribe to the channel, and share it with your friends and family. Your support is what motivates me to keep sharing more simple and healthy cooking tips every day. Goodbye, and see you in the next videos.